Hey folks, it is still December 10th, 1:44 in the afternoon. I'm back from lunch and I see we have a potential sell here.
Order pending.
So we're going to set this up and see how it goes. The market's done quite a bit of moving since our earlier trade. Still making higher highs, higher lows. But hopefully we can get filled here and then take our 5 ticks. It is still moving a little slower, but I know they recommend that you trade between the time frames of, I believe it's like 8:20 to 11 o'clock in the morning, and then from 1:30 to 2:30. So as I said, we're definitely within the second round of hours that they recommend trading in. And we'll see if we get filled on this trade or not. I'm not going to chase it. If it doesn't come up to fill us, then it just doesn't come up to fill us. Tell you what, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back if we get entered into the trade. All right, guys, we just got entered into the trade. As you can see, our first take profit is right here at 155.09. Stop is up here at 155.22. All right, so now we just have to be patient. And we'll see what happens with this trade. And this was a conservative setup. Everything was telling me that the market should be going lower here. So hopefully things will work out well for this trade. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, I stepped away for a second, came back, and it looks like our first profit target got hit, as you guys can see here. So I'm going to move that down to break even. And I actually have to get ready and head off to work here shortly. So I think I'm going to just leave this here. And when I come back, we'll be able to see, what the market has done. Either it will have stopped us out here at break even +1, which is only 2 ticks away, or it will have come down some. All right, I have about 7 minutes before I have to leave, so I'll pause it. And if we don't get stopped out here, I'll just let it run. But I'll let you guys know either way. Be back shortly. All right, guys, I'll be back around 7 this afternoon, and we'll see what's happened on this trade. It's currently 2:20. All right, I'll see you guys a bit later. Hey, folks, the time is now 6:37 in the afternoon. I wanted to give you guys a update on what happened here. If you recall, we got entered into the trade here. We got our 5 initial ticks. We had our second take profit set to down here, which is right where the market went previously. We came within, what is that, 1, 2. We came within 2 ticks of hitting this profit target, but unfortunately, the market did reverse on us, and we had our stop at 155.13. And the reason the market doesn't continue showing is because we have this set up as a RTH, regular trading hours, because that's what the system calls for. So it doesn't show everything, but we were stopped out at +1, so we got +5 and then +1. And that was a conservative trade, so we have that here, +5, +1, 12.10 conservative. All right, so we're getting closer to 10. Hopefully tomorrow we can take several trades and at least reach 10 trades in total for the week, but time will tell. Anyway, I'm going to end this video currently at under 5 minutes, which is good. Next time I do something like this where I just let it run, I'm going to consider putting my stop not at where the market reached, but a few pips or a few ticks above or below where the market actually got to, because that would have been a beautiful thing to come home to see that the market hit our take profit right here, but just didn't happen. 155.00 up to 155.14. That would have been 14 ticks. If I would have had it here, it would have been 12 ticks. So, oh well, it is what it is, like I said. Can't go back in the past and change it, but the market did go pretty far down off of this trade that we had here. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, folks.